Good day, everyone. I want to use this opportunity to explain to us how to find dimensions of quantities. This topic, especially people that are getting into physics newly, I'm talking about SS1 students, even old students already, they are finding this dimension very difficult. Okay, so that's why I'm here. There is a secret how to solve this. Follow me. Let me show you how it can be solved. It is not difficult. Let's go and explain what dimension is all about. All right. When it comes to dimension, what is it all about? Sometimes they may ask you to find dimension of volume, dimension of force, dimension of weight, dimension of energy, dimension of momentum, dimension of moment, dimension of upthrust, dimension of velocity, speed, a whole lot of them, and you will get confused. What is this thing all about? All right, so this dimension is nothing but just express the unit, express the unit of those things that they gave to you in terms of what? In terms of fundamental, fundamental quantities, fundamental quantities. When it comes to dimension, anything that has to do with length, that's anything that has to do with meter. You know, we said that the standard, that's SI unit of length is what? Meters. We said that SI unit of mass is what? Is kg. We said that SI unit of time, we said that is second. We said that that of current is what? Ampere. And we have that of temperature to be Kelvin, and so on and so forth. All right. So when it comes to this dimension of 18, this standard unit of the quantities that they are talking about, they simply want you to use their initial to write them, but they should be in capital letter. Just use their initial to write them. For example, if you're talking about meters, we are talking about our length. So anywhere you see meter, just say that it is what? For length. Just use L, capital letter L, to denote it. That's all. Kg is what? Unit of what? Mass. Anywhere you see kg, just use M, capital letter M, to denote it. Can you see it? Even time, just use T, and so on and so forth. That's what they want you to do that place. All right, let me give you an example so that you understand what I'm talking about. We have example one like this. We have example one. It said find the dimension, find the dimension of, let me start with force. Find the dimension of force. Okay, how do we find the dimension of force? First of all, you ask yourself, this force, what does it contain? You know, force is not a fundamental quantity. Force is what? A derived quantity. You ask yourself, this derived quantity, how? Where did we derive it from? Or where is it derived from? All right, so we have solution like this. That's what you need to ask yourself. You see, this force, okay, force is what? Force is, we have um mass times what? Acceleration. I've said it before. Mass times what? Acceleration. Can you see where we derived it from? All right. Then mass is what? A fundamental quantity. So we leave it. But acceleration is not a fundamental quantity. We'll break it down more. What of acceleration? Acceleration is what? Is the unit, for the unit we have it to be what? Meter per second square. Can you see it? Why the mass? The unit of mass is what? Is kg. Can you see it? The unit of mass is kg. By unit of acceleration is what? Meter per second square. Can you see it? All right. I hope it's clear up to this point. I don't have much space here, so let me continue over here. So I will have the force. Can you see it? I will have the force is equals to. First of all, when I look at this now, I say, wow, that's great. Then this kg, what has this unit of kg? What has it is what? Mass. And mass started with what? M. Is it clear? Mass started with what? M. So instead of writing kg, I'll write M. And this M stands for what? stands for mass. Can you see it? Then I'll say times m. M is what? Meters, which is unit of what? Length. So I'll say times, can you see it? Unit of what? Length. I'll have L like that. Then second square, second has to do with what? Time. It is unit of what? Time. So instead of saying second square, I will now say t square. Can you see it? So this unit, I'm now writing those quantities that have this what? Unit. And I'm writing them with what? Capital letter. The first alphabet that starts them. Alright, so you have something like this. Numerator will multiply numerator. You have this. You have m. Remember, it should be in capital letter. You have like this. You have this. You have over this. Can you see that? Either you write it like this or you write it like this. M. You have this. You have t raised to power minus 2. Can you see it? So it is not difficult. It is just the unit that I found what gave me that unit, and I wrote them in what? Capital letter. The first alphabet that starts them, I wrote them in what? Capital letter. So that is how it can be solved. It is not difficult. All right, remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. I believe that you understood how I solved it. Remember that you need to follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge. Bye.